Alright guys, we're on to the finished work. Once again, we'll show that we're using Minwax Solid Stain. And this is untinted, pure white stain. After we stain it, we're going to clear coat it with a semi-gloss varnish. 2 coats of that. Then we can finish up that bathroom once and for all. I think we processed enough wood to finish the bathroom 100%. Hopefully we don't have any mess ups, but we counted the boards, what we would need, and we have that much wood ready. So, this is our last batch to do, and that's kind of crazy. And then we can start installing fixtures and trim, and that's going to be the really fun part, to see that come together. And it's so unique. And it's like, I know it could be cool again. And I think it would be a fun project to work on.
Yeah.
Cute, fluffy. Something I want to mention about this stain is that it gets some bad reviews online. We've noticed this. A lot of people said it's terrible, it's the worst stain they've ever used. And so we should make a note of this, that I think the problem that people have with this stain, because it's working great for us, is that they're using it like a traditional stain. And you can't do that. From all the negative reviews we've seen, everybody had the same problem, that it dried really quick. And they left the surface really uneven and streaky and terrible looking. So I want to say, do not let this sit on the wood. The instructions say, wipe it on, wipe it off. You don't let it wait. A traditional stain, you put it on the wood, you have 10-15 minutes, let it soak in, come back, wipe it off. You have all the time in the world. This one, they say don't let it sit for more than 2 minutes. That doesn't mean let it sit for 2 minutes, don't let it sit for more than 2 minutes. So basically put it on, take it off, get it done with. And it does start drying really quick on the wood. And if it dries on the wood, it's going to look terrible. Just put it on, take it off. That's my tip. We're going to keep working. It's not a bad product. Some people don't read the can, and I think they just stick to what they know instead of what it says. We're finished processing all the wood. Today is the big day to get the bathroom walls completed once and for all. Because now we're getting more and more. Like, I think this bows. Remember I said I had to push that one?
Yeah.
For some reason this is higher. Now I did have to put a couple of face nails in here. These will be covered by trim. These I'll just have to patch, but that's not a big deal. I was pulling off big chunks that were between them even. This nailer does put the nails where you want them, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Look at that skinny mini.
Wow.
Okay, now we're back on the full ones. I'll go cut 3.
And then rip the last one.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna wait until you put 2 in.
If the shoe fits. Another one done. Looking good. This little rolling toolbox right here is making the perfect work platform that I can stand on to reach up at the top of the wall. Also using the little side handle to hang my gun on.
This fits.
I got it. Hey Michael, can you pull that end down for me?
No.
So this is the last board for the bathroom, and then we're done. I wanted to make sure you didn't miss the last one. Should I show you this? So it's a double bevel, bevel. The bevels, like I said, they help them just pop in easier. So it's not tight against the ceiling when you're trying to tip it in. That's it. So maybe it wasn't exactly the last piece. You can see we have here, we have here. These aren't real pieces because they just need to be fillers. It's all going to be covered by trim work. Corner trim, window trim, shower trim. And similarly, by the door, we're going to fill all this in with pieces. It will be all hidden underneath wood trim. But we have scraps. We have lots of scraps of this. So I'll probably just put them on up the wall here and make a proper job of it, even though you'll never see them. But that's just little work. This room turned out beautiful. All the wood is in. We're ready for finish work, trim work, that kind of things. I will say that this whole project went super nice and smooth. Only minor measurement issues until the very last board. The one I tried showing you. On the very last board of the whole room, this was going to be it. And I accidentally cut my ceiling bevel for that odd ceiling at the edge on the wrong end of the board. So it's supposed to be this way, not this way. One mess up. That's not too bad. Especially at the end. That's when your mind is done and you're just ready to wrap it up, so it's fine. Everything else turned out beautiful. Now Ashley was just saying that luckily we had one extra board, just one bonus board to do what we wanted with. So luckily we had a replacement for that mess up. We really cut it close though. Now you might wonder about this and this over here. This is a last minute addition that we had to add. We're going to be installing a heater in here, and I don't know, it might not get used much, but it'll be in here. Ultimately, I would love to do like a mini split or something like that to heat the space, but we don't know when we'll get there, so we want to have this just in case. I decided to put the heater high in the wall because in this bathroom there's not much wall space and there wasn't anywhere else to put it out of the way. So I actually found a really cool small heater that is designed for a high mounted situation like that. So the heater is designed for this application, up high in the wall. It blows the heat. It's going to be fine. It won't be used much. Don't worry about it. It's fine for the humid bathroom location, everything. It's totally good. So this is going to be the thermostat. This is going to be the heater. This is the cover. It has a little grill that goes in there, and it's just going to sit like that. Now, I can't do that until we trim it out more. We're going to put trim here, whatever. But it'll just be something simple. I kind of wish we didn't need it. It kind of uglies up the nice wall, but I don't know. It's one of those things. These openings, as you guys know, just cabinets. This is like toilet paper storage. This is toiletries, toothpaste, you know, whatever you use.
And that'll have a mirror on it.
Yes. And here I'll show you, I actually put the cover on the fan. There is a ventilation fan above the shower unit. And it's sleek. It's normal. It's fine. So that wraps it up. There's nothing else to share. The bathroom is done. That was a lot of wood to do, but I think we both enjoyed the process. It wasn't bad at all.
I liked it better than doing drywall.
She liked it better than doing brown paper bag technique.
Yeah.
That was just something we got. Never mind. Anyway, this ends the bathroom wood. We're going to be buying more wood to start the entryway next. If we can settle on a color and everything.
We're close to settling on a color. I think we're down to 2 choices.
And in the meantime, we might start putting fixtures in. I would love to get the bathroom sink installed, maybe to get the toilet installed. Those are things that can get out of our way, and even though they won't be functional yet, they'll be where they need to be. So
yeah,
stay tuned for that. And I think that's all we have. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
see ya.